New lights are installed.
Yep.
This is the last ride over the old Shrewsbury, Rumson Sea by Drawbridge. I have a YouTube channel.
Really? What's your YouTube channel?
Oh, it's on my Instagram.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
You have a lot of followers?
Oh my God, yes.
That's amazing.
Mm-hmm. The construction zone is 25 over here. Oh, here we go.
Do you remember when they used to have the Spider-Man up there?
I don't remember.
They used to put him up on the crane last year.
Mm.
And every day,
That's good. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
He was on a different one. This is
Oh. Oh, just missed.
I'm going.
Here we go. Well, that was the last ride over that thing. And that was the last ride. That was it.